how to find your account privacy settings on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find your account privacy settings on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these three lines in the top, these 3 points here. Just click on it and then click settings, and now just click account and then click privacy. And as you see here, you can manage your account privacy settings. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.